everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to do proper contouring. So contouring is a very important part of the makeup, which is actually very necessary to make your face chiseled, dimensional and as well as beautiful. Whether you like to hide your features or enhance your features, you need to know the proper tools, proper products as well as the proper rules to do contouring perfectly, which need no filter. So today's video is a collaboration with Foxy Famous, which is a platform where you can shop your favorite products. I'll be linking down the Foxy app below in the description bar along with their Instagram link. Make sure to check them out, and I'll be using all the products will be listed below in the bottom bar as well. So without further ado, if you guys are interested, then please continue watching. So as you can see, this is my flat face, and for the contouring I always seek for some particular products. So I have few products with me. So the first one is K Beauty Contour Stick, which is very nice and beautiful brownie kind of undertone, and it is suitable for every skin tone. The second product which I have with me is the Sugar Cosmetics Face Palette. This is the Contour de Force Face Palette, and it has 3 shades of contour, blush and highlight. But this contour shade is suitable for even brown skin tone. And the third product which I always go for is a Very White Bronzer. Now this is the Color Icon Bronzer, and it has a very beautiful brown kind of undertone. You can see the color is really pretty, and it's more like a bronzer rather than a contour, and the shade name is the You Are Dragging Me Down. So when it comes to contouring, I always like to do a cream contour first, and after that I would like to set it with a powder contour. So for the cream contour, I'll be using this K Beauty Contour Stick. So for contouring, you need to first suck your face like this, and you will be finding your jawline and as well as the hollows of the cheek. So this is our jawline, and this portion is the hollows of the cheek. So I'm going to be applying in the jawline as well as hollows of the cheek the K Beauty Contour Stick. So as it is very pigmented and dark product, I'm going to be applying a very little amount. As you can see, the pigmentation is really good and the color is also very nice, and like this manner. And for blending it out, I'll be using my makeup sponge. So the proper trick of blending your contour is to first you swipe it down, and after that you have to just blend it by dabbing motion so that it can be blended with your foundation seamlessly and flawlessly. You need to make sure that you are applying a brown tone product which is 2 or 3 shades, even more shade darker than your foundation shade. As you can see, it's properly blended. I'm going to do the same to the other side of my face as well. So when you are blending your jaw contouring or jawline contouring, you need to make sure that you are applying the products very little as well as blending it to the downwards, like towards your neck. So we are done with the cream contouring. Now let's move on to the powder contouring. For the powder contouring, I would prefer like this kind of brush. This is kind of a angle brush. As you can see, it's angled like this, and that is the reason it will be suitable to fit in your hollows of the cheek as well as your jawline. Whenever you are taking the powder, you make sure you are taking a very little bit, not too much. Just take it generously, and after that dust off the excess. And after that you have to just swipe the product like so. And after swiping it out, you have to just blend it in a circular motion and swiped motion like this. It will make sure to proper deposition of your color as well as it will blend the contour shade with your foundation shade very nicely. As I said before, when you are contouring your jawline, you need to make sure that you are depositing the products to the downward, like you are blending it seamlessly to your neckline to create a proper shadow to your whole look. So if you have a larger forehead like me, you need to make sure that your forehead will appear a little bit smaller, and for that I will be depositing the contour powder to my hairline, and I will be blending it to my hairline so that it looks little bit smaller and it creates a beautiful shadow to my forehead area. So when you are applying the total contour shade to your forehead, you just make sure that you take the brush like this to your temples so that it creates a beautiful slimming effect to your face. So love beauties, we are done with the total face contouring. Now move on to the one part which is left over, that is nose contouring. I would like to prefer the Sugar Cosmetics face palette for my nose contouring and taking this shade just right here. But for nose contouring, I would like to take some blending brush. This is an eyeshadow blending brush from Zoeva. I'll be taking a generous amount, and after that I'll be applying just like in circular motion as well as back and forth motion like this. It will create a beautiful shadow to my nose, and make sure you connect the contour shade with this line which is connecting to your eyebrows. As you can see, my nose is looking a little bit chiseled right now, and to enhance this feature even more, you need to apply some lightening shade powder to the middle of the contouring or to contouring. So for applying highlighter, I would like to just wet my face a little bit. You can apply any kind of makeup fixer, makeup fix, mist or anything like that. When you have a wet face, your highlighter will be settled down properly. So I'm going to be using the same palette by Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking the shade just right here and applying it to the middle of the nose like this. As you can see, it enhances the color more and make it more beautiful and as well as sharp, and gives a proper dimension to my face. So I'm going to be applying to my cheekbone as well. And in between your hollows of the cheek and as well as your jawline, I need to just sharpen it a little more. So for that, I'm going to be taking the Sugar Cosmetics Powder Play Banana Compact, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of the product and I'm just going to cut down the contour line a little more. So yes, we are done with the whole face contouring as well as give it a proper dimension. So this is my face looking like after the applying of the total contouring products and the whole process of the contouring. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video and you learned something new, that how to do proper contouring with the step-by-step procedure as well as what products to use, what tools to use. And a huge shout out to Foxy Famous for being a partner in this video. You can check out all the links of the Foxy Instagram as well as the Foxy app down below in the description bar. I'll be linking down everything and every single products which are available in their website. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like it, then make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do press the bell button beside the subscribe button if you don't want to miss out any of my future videos. With that note, this is me, Devarjita, signing off for the day. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Until next time, bye.